right, everybody, Dr. Blumenthal back with you with Natural Transplants in the Bethesda office, and we got the guy smiling on the other side is Terrell. Terrell, welcome back, man.
Hello, doctor.
Good to see you.
Hello.
Good to see you. So we were last time we were with you was about a year ago. We did the surgery on sort of the first maybe two maybe three fingers, and you had an FUE before just on the hairline itself. Came out okay, but a little bit on the thinner side, and it was really literally just the hairline. It wasn't anything behind it. So you look like a different guy now. Tell us how you like it. Tell us the experience. Tell us how the year went.
First, 1,000% happy with the results.
Awesome.
Like you said, I did come in with a prior FUE procedure. It was extremely thin. The outline of a hairline was there, but like you said, nothing past it. So between my natural, because I didn't go in with the original procedure, I didn't go in with my hair thinning. Mm-hmm. I was kind of doing it to lower the hairline. Yep. So the outline of the hairline was there, but everything past it was kind of thin.
It was kind of like a gap there. Yeah.
Exactly, a gap. So I really came in for the FUT procedure to kind of fill in that gap.
Yep.
So I was hoping for the result I have now, where the outline of the hairline is there, but it still has a fullness to it, a thickness to it that looks very much natural.
Yeah.
So the experience itself with the procedure, it was amazing. Didn't feel any pain during the procedure. Everyone was friendly. Everyone was communicative up until the time when I went under for the actual procedure.
Yep.
I barely even remember it because it was such a quick process.
And the Valium also makes you forget too. That's always happy.
Exactly,
that always helps.
I felt completely at ease.
Good.
It wasn't my first procedure, so I did have some experience.
Yeah.
But as far as as far as the patient care and things like that, I was completely at ease.
Awesome.
Everything was great.
That's great to hear.
Communication has been great.
Good.
Especially with check-ins and things like that.
Good.
So service was great. Results I'm in love with.
Awesome.
It's completely changed my outlook on the way I style my hair and appearance and things like that. I couldn't be happier with it.
That's great. I love it. Has it sort of given you a little bit more freedom on what you can and can't do, and like, as far as covering your head, hats, all that sort of stuff?
Yeah. I was going to say, I have all these hats now. I don't know what to do with. I rarely ever wear a hat.
That's a great problem to have.
I want to show this thing off now.
That's awesome.
So it's amazing.
Yeah, you never want to cover it now. It's too good.
Absolutely.
That's great.
Absolutely.
I love it. That's so cool. Well, let me have you do this. I'm going to have you just kind of look straight as you are. Hold that for like 2 or 3 seconds, and then look down for me.
Okay, look straight. Okay.
Yep. And then go ahead and look down for 2 or 3 seconds. Awesome. Wow, man. Wow. And then look back up at me, and then either choose left or right. Either side's fine. And then hold that for a couple seconds. Beautiful. And then other way. Woo! Man. Terrell, it is awesome. And then we'll put the before pictures up there so you can compare. But any problems with the scar in the back? Any issues from that standpoint?
No. I feel like as time went on, the kind of the line that comes with the procedure has been filling in, and now it's at a certain length. You can't even really see. It's not that noticeable in the back anymore.
Yeah. I mean, a zero guard and 1 guard, you'll see it. I mean, that's just too short. You'll see the scar there. But it should, for most guys, depending on your hair type, most like black guys and Latino guys, a 2 guard and higher should be fine. Usually for my Caucasian and Asian guys and Indian guys, it's a 3 guard or higher. But everybody's a little bit different. But a 0 or 1 guard, you'd probably see it. So it looks fantastic, my guy. It looks awesome.
Man. No, I couldn't be happier, honestly.
Any words of advice, anybody out there that's kind of thinking about it on the fence, they're watching this video, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say, from my experience, a second opinion is always worth it to seek. I was told before this procedure that I didn't have enough grafts left to really make it feasible to do another procedure to make it thicker. Yeah. So something in me just didn't want to sit right with that, and I went looking, and I found Natural Transplants, and man, I couldn't be happier with that.
Hallelujah.
Decision.
That's awesome.
It was amazing choice.
That's awesome, man. I love it. Thank you so much for doing this. Hopefully this will inspire somebody, man. As I always say, welcome to the family, man. You look fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Take care, man.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.